Good evening, ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, 7th standard. Okay. Let all the children to join. Let us start our class. Take out your notebook and pen. Be ready. So we have completed our revision to some extent. Remaining revision we will go through before the test. The chapter when we will have for the test. Before that, I will give some more review problems. Yesterday we have seen some reviews. Remaining review problems will be done like that. And some will be covered as homework that I will decide. Okay. Today we are going to start the chapter, new chapter, third one, decimals. Very, very easy. Whenever fraction comes, the next chapter itself will be decimals only. Because fractions and decimals are closely related. Okay. So, the fractions which are having the denominator as 10, 100, 1000, those and all, we call as a decimal fraction. Now see, simple thing. This is just an introduction. Everything will be given in the book. Later on, you can read it. Now, no need to write anything. Just listen to what I say. Let us take some. So these type of fractions where we have the denominator as 10, 100, 1000, 10,000 and so on. Okay, only these type of numbers, it can be written as a decimals. For example, 3 by 10. One number digit is there, 10 is having 1 0 only. So from the last, we have to move one digit. So from the last, when I move here point, so it is 0.3. Okay, yes. So 5 by 100. First, I must write the 5. I will copy down. 100 is having 2 zeros. So from the last, I must move 2 digits. One is here. One is not here. Have a 0. Now 2 places are there. Keep a point here. In order to read the number, we add 1 0 and we write like this 0.05. Okay, from the last, we have to move 2 points. Before 2 points, we have to 2 places. We need to keep the point. One is there, another one is not there. So add a 0, keep a point in front of it so that when you see, you must get that it is divided by 100 means 2 places in front the point should be. 1 point before it is 10. Now 8 by 1000. First I will write the 8. One digit I wrote. Now 1000 is having 3 digits. 0, 0, 0. 3 zeros are there. So from the last I need to move 3 places. One is here sitting already. Another one is not there. Another one is not there. Point. So now to read it, 0.008. These are all last year itself I taught you. I know that for that reason only many are giving correct answers. Last year integers, decimals, everything we have seen. Again repeated only. Okay. But still it is important. This is the basic introduction. Okay. Dividing by 10 means how to do. 100 means how to do. 1000 means how to do. From the last to move towards the left side. Since we are dividing. When we divide only, we will get the number in points. Sometimes whole number when it goes. When we do by the, like this 10, 100, 1000, when the value of the denominator is greater, okay, then this number automatically we will get in point. So that is what decimal. Okay. Now, like decimals and unlike decimals. Like decimal means what? Unlike means what? That we will see now. Now, for a number to be a like decimal, for example, this is 0.3. Let us take this. One is 0.3. The other one is also 0 point something. Means after the thing, only one place. One thing is there. One place value. 0.5. That alone is there. Means those are like decimals. When we have equally 0.123, 0.225, 4 means 4 digits, 3 means 3. How many are there should see. If they are of equal, they are of like decimals. Different decimal places, they are unlike. Same 0.3 I took. The second number 0.05. These both are, the first one and the second one, unlike decimals. Why? Because this is 1 point before. I did by 10. This is 2 points before. This is 100 denominator. So after the point, one place, one number, one digit is there. After the point, 2 are there. So they are unlike. Same thing means 1, 1. Here 3, 2, here 5, 2. Here 4, 5, 3, 0, here 5, 8. Whatever number it may be. 2 places means they are like decimals. 3, 3 like. Unevenly if they are there means unlike. These two are also unlike. After the point, two numbers are there. Here 3 are there. So these 3 are unlike to each other. Unlike decimals. When they are the same, they are of like decimals. Okay. So decimal fractions, you know this is a decimal fraction. This is about writing in decimal number. This is about like and unlike decimals. After you get your book tomorrow, okay, tomorrow they are giving the textbooks now. After getting the textbooks, go through that. Page number 41, 42, what and all I told, everything is there. Now, yes. Addition of decimals and subtraction I will say. Then we'll go to the next. For example, the number is like this. Book example only. And adding 0.3. Whenever your 2 decimal numbers are there like this, it is asked to add them. Then we will see subtraction 1 model, then directly we'll go to the multiplication. Okay. Yes. Yes, correct. They are like decimals only. They are not unlike decimals. See how to make them. That is what we are going to see. 3.405. I wrote the first number. Second number point should match. So first point 0.32, 0.32 like this to write. Wherever the number is not there, to add a 0. Where number is not there, add 0. Make it equal. Make it equal, then you should add it. This is the process. 3.725. So point must match. Where the number is not there. For example, 0.3 alone is given means 0.300 to add. Where and all, no, nothing is there. We have to keep a 0 there. Then should proceed. This also last year we have seen. Well seen. All I remember. Same your class only. Subtraction. Since I have taken 6th standard last year, I know. 2.94 from 7.104. This time book we don't have addition and subtraction. We don't have addition and subtraction of this. Simply I am teaching you to know. Only example sums are there. In the exercise, no questions are there of addition of decimals and subtraction. Why? because these are all over in 6th standard. 6th standard textbook, they have this thing. What we have multiplication and division of decimals. That is our chapter, advanced. Now this is a basic introduction. So after this only we go. But we don't have any problem. Now subtraction. From, whenever from number, the thing is there, the second number we have to take. This number from this number, subtract. Sub means subtract. So I must write this number first by leaving a place little bit. Then 2.94. I wrote 2.94. Where it is not there, have 1 0. Minus, should write like this, 4. Here 0 won't go, 0, 10, 6. Okay, here 6, here 1, 1, 4. So the answer is 4.164. Like this way to do the subtraction. Point should match, then should write the numbers. From means that should be taken first, then this number should be taken to the next thing. This is what is given about addition and subtraction of decimals. We have purely multiplication and division only. Okay, now let me say from this what is the thing. Then you will understand. 008. Book example only I have taken, so that when you refer it will be easy. Into 1000. Same number, 0.008. Okay, now 0.008. So now we have to see that how when we multiply by 10. Just now before this I told you by dividing. By 10 when I divide, how from the last how to move. By 100 when I divide, from the last how to move. By 1000 when I divide, how to come from the last I told. Why I told division first? Because it is a decimal fraction type. So first we have seen that. Now we will see about multiplying by 10. Stop chatting, no chats at all, listen. Then only you will understand when I do exercise. Otherwise we'll be typing, I don't know. Then I won't listen. So listen properly. Multiply by 10. Max class, full attention on board and to what I say only. No unnecessary chats, no answering, nothing. When I ask something, you answer. Now I am not asking any questions. I am just explaining. So multiply by 10, multiply by 100, multiplying by 1000. When we divide by the number, we have seen that just now I told we are coming from the right side towards the left side. The point moves. Now while multiplying, we have to move this direction. Very, very important. That alone when you know, half of the thing over. No mistakes will come. So when I multiply any point number, any decimal number by 10 or by 100 or by 1000, first thing is to remember, step number 1 is to move towards this side, right side. Then we have to see 10. 10 means which is having only 1 zeros are there, which means 1 digit, 1 place value, the one thing, the point will move. It will jump. In my words, I used to say. So point jumps from here to here. So this 0, leave it off. No value for this, right? So the point went here. So 0.08. The point went one place because we multiplied by 10. Next thing, when I multiply by 100, what will happen? 100 having 2 zeros. So 2 places to jump. Point must jump. We must not jump. 1, 2. This place. So 0 point. This 0, leave it off. This 0, no value. The point comes here. So 0.8. Okay. 2 places. From the place where it is situated, from that position, 2 positions jumping, and we wrote. Now 1000. When a number is having 3 zeros, 3 jumps. for the, so I have erased this arrow. 3 jumps, 1, 2, 3. The point went to the last. How to read the number 0008? Point. It is like this. The point jumped to the last like this. It doesn't have any value because point is at the last. So nothing, no need. Directly 8 point, which means it is 8. Okay. 3 places jumping. 0000, no value. 8 point, we don't say. 8 point means 8.0. 8.1, 8.2 has a value. Okay. But 8 we don't write like this normally. But this we write like this. If I say 8.1 centimeter measure, you will measure. But I won't say measure 8.0 centimeter. Generally, I call take 8 centimeter in the scale. This alone will use. So it is 8. Or you can write 8.0, that is also correct. So this is the way. This is called as the whole number part. This is called as a decimal part. After the point, last year we have seen this and all. Whole number part, ones, tens, hundreds. It will move like that. Decimal part, 1 by 10th, 1 by 100th, 1/10th, 100th, 1000th. That and all we have seen last year. We don't have anything that and all this year. This year only we have multiplication and division. These all will come in exercise also. Understood? So 10 when you multiply, the point jumps to one side, one place to the right side. 100, 2 places to the right. 1000, 3 places to the right side. This is what everything is given in page 42, 43. I read the chapter entirely and I'm taking what is necessary. That alone I'm explaining. Same thing with the number. When we do, not only for 0, 0, now you will type this, see. Now you will type this. Type the answer for this. 7.518. After the point should read the digits separately. Shouldn't say 518. 7.518. 4.300. Yes. Pritika, Bhavatarini, all correct. Super. Good. Sindhya Shri, yes. Naufil Ahmad, yes. Rahul Binoy, yes. Good. Sai Raghav, yes. Netra Shri, yes. Helen, yes. Shakina, yes. Sai Raghav, what 43? Next thing you are writing, 43, no, full thing to type. Okay. First thing, Harish Kumaran, correct, all correct. Naveen Aditya, correct. Now I am explaining this. Then you type this, then I will tell you. 100, 2 places to jump. 1, 2. Stop. The point went here. 751. The point moved here. 0.8. Those who gave the correct answer, very good. This is the correct answer. Now, yes. Alan, what is the 2 which is at the last, ma? 43002, what is the meaning? 4300. Why you want 2 extra? Instead of 4,000 rupees, you will give 43,000 rupees. What? Once you type, that is enough. Bhavatarini, enough. 1000, 1, 2, 3. Dot. Dot will go to the last. You have pushed to the last. 4300, because 3 places jump. Point. Don't write the point here. At the ending, no need. Leave it. So 4,300. The whole number part. No decimal. This is the whole number part. This is the decimal part. Decimal part like a rupees. In the rupees when we calculate, how it is like a paisa column. This is like a rupee column. 751 rupees 80 paise. Like that it is. So decimal path refers to that. Yes. Okay, super. These all what we are going through is now about the examples only. Multiplying. Okay. Normal multiplication, then points. At least only one example I take. Normally, when we do multiplication, example ma, no need to write anything, everything given in the textbook. Okay. How to do this? Whenever we get multiplication of decimals, which may have 1 point, 2 points, 3 points, whatever it is, however the place value of the digits can be. Just our work is to write the numbers alone first. 4 I must write, 6 I must write, 7. I won't write any points now. Later on we'll write in the answer. 0.86, I want only 8 and 6. 0, no table for 0, we don't want. So 8, 6. So this alone I will do. Then I will keep the points later in the answer. Multiplication, the heading is like find the product, multiply, something like that. So now 7 6 are 42, 2 carried over 4. 6 6 are 36, 36 that's for 40, carried over 4. 4 6 4 are 24 plus 4, 28. 8 7 are 56, carried over 5. Okay. 8 6 are 48, 48 plus 5, 53, 5, 8 4 are 32, 37. So this is the normal multiplication only. 2, 6, 11, 1, 10, 0, 1, 4, 0, 1, 6, 2. Okay. Now I will write the number here. Now I will keep points. After doing normal multiplication, here see. Now the decimal number 1, 2, 2 numbers, 1 number. Before point is there. So 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 2 numbers plus 1 number. 3 numbers before that we need to keep the point. Come from the last. 1, 2, 3 points. The answer is this. 40.162 point compulsory. Because the chapter itself is decimal now. So 2 numbers are there. 1 number is here. 2 plus 1, 3. From the last proceed. And a point should be kept before the 3 places. Very, very easy. If 1 point here and 1 number is only here, means 2 numbers before that to keep. Last year also we had this. Same thing. So now multiplication of decimals, exercise 3.1 we will start. Then exercise 3.2. Only 2 exercises are there in our chapter where everything is covered. All the models they have covered in the 2 exercise itself, everything is there. Now using the examples and all what I told now easily you can do the exercise problem. That's what we take example. Exercise 3.1, page number 46. Question number 1. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F. E and F alone I will keep for you. A, B, C, D. All we will do. All easy. Question number 1. What number is 10 times as large as 3.25? As large as 10 times. Whenever we say times, 2 times means multiply by 2. 5 times multiply by 5. 10 times means we need to multiply that many times. So 10 times as large as 3.25, which means 3.25 is the question. 10 times as large as. I won't write the question, it is given in the textbook. So 10 times as large as this number is equal to. What is the answer? Now you type the answer. 10 times this number is what? Straight answer, 1 mark. Where is the point, Bhavatarini? Shakina Bhavatarini. Ah, Alan is correct. Yes. I couldn't see the point, I think so. Yes. Now Phil Bhavatarini, correct. Easy, easy. Multiplying by 10, what I told Kavya, correct. She was correct. What I told when I multiply by 10, what to do? One place has to jump. So tuck, one place. The point went here. This number joining to right. 32.5. Very, very simple. Okay. Now, good. Those who gave correct answer, very good. How many zeros the dot must move? 10 means one place should move. Now, question number B. Question. 10 times as large as 58. Now, the number is 58. 10 times as large as whole number. It's not a decimal number. Direct whole number. Easy. 10 times as large as. What is the answer? Type the answer. No, Rahul Binay. Point is not there itself. You are dividing. Ishwar Raja, no. Alan, yes. Pritika, yes. Naveen Aditya, yes. Simple, ma, simple. When you multiply by 10, add 1 0. Why to confuse so much? I have not given any points. In the textbook, they gave only 58. They didn't give 5.8. Okay, it's not necessary that all the numbers will be decimals only. They will give anything. Understood. First thing, they gave decimal. Second thing, full integer. Third number, again decimal they gave. Fourth sum, again they gave the full number. Anything. So 10 times as large as 58. Right? 58 ones are 58. Add 1 0. Normally, how we do 5 into 10, 50? Like that it is. Now, C. Question C. 100 times as large as 0.123. 100 times. 100 times as large as means you should multiply. 100 times big number we want it seems. This number is small. I want a number such that it is 100 times of this number. Yes, very good. Netasri Bhavatarini correct. Siddheshwar correct. Akash John correct. 2 points to jump. 1, 2. Stop. 0 leave. 1, 2.3. 12.3. Point nicely should keep dot. When you do in exam, okay, then only it will be visible. Already many children are writing like this, ma. I have seen like this only. Very difficult in phone to do correction. Little bit, make the size bigger and keep points and all properly. When I write in the board like this, will you agree what? The same with me, no. When I do correction, it must be easy, no. Small, 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 A, B and all, dismiss, dismiss, dismiss. God only knows how you are catching the pen and writing such a small. We couldn't, even after zooming, I couldn't know that what number it is. Ants only. Ants will be moving on a line. Make it little bit bigger. The numbers at least. D. 100 times as large as 6. 100 times as large as 6. Number they gave only 6. What is the answer? That's all today. E and F homework sums will be. Ah, yes. 6 into 100. 600. Good. Ishwar Raja. Now Phil. All correct, correct. Tak, who is telling answer? Good. How many are there? Repeatedly, same children are only answering. 53 are sitting. Others are sleeping what? Only around 10 children I see every day, those who are answering. Bonus mark for them will be. If you answer in the class only, marks I will give for activities and all. Should answer in the class. Lazily, when you sit, when you don't answer anything, the 10 children will get extra marks, more than those who are not answering. Okay. Correct or wrong, however it is, must try to give the answer. Okay. Now, ABCD over, E and F homework children. Next class, we will start from question number 2. Okay. First chapter alone you have for the exam. Second chapter material I will be sending, not to worry. Anyway, you don't have for this cycle test, but I will send. Yes. Right. I'm not erasing. Next period when it starts only, I will erase. Okay, thank you. Bye. Somebody is writing. (10:52). Okay, ma. Host, you can end the meeting, sir. Finish, Jama. Bye.